Hello! A brief overview of 24 states NCLEX application fee for foreign nurses is our topic for today. Before that, welcome to my Nurse Insight. So I'll give you 24 states and I'll start with Alaska. You go to your Google or search engine, search Alaska Board of Nursing and applications and exams, and you will find this one. Application fee for Alaska is $375. Other requirements are not included, and this is non-refundable when you apply for NCLEX-RN application. Second, Arizona. You go to your Arizona Board of Nursing and click this one. What are the fees to apply for licensure by examination? And you will see this application fees is around $300. Fingerprint fee is $50, and other fees are not included. Third, California. California is one of the states that mostly nurses applied, especially foreign nurses. You go to their site, Board of Nursing, and you will find this one. And there are three methods. Method 1, 2, and 3. And the third is international graduate. $750 is the application fee. Fourth, Connecticut. Connecticut Board of Nursing. You search that one, are RN licensed by examination, and their fee will be around $180. This is non-refundable also. You will apply by their online. Fifth, Colorado. If you're trying to apply in Colorado, Colorado is one of a good state to work as an RN, and the application fee is around $88, non-refundable as well. 6, Florida. Florida is a good spot for nurses, and the payment for application is $175. 7, Hawaii. Hawaii is a good place too. It's near from the beach, and nurses will love it. And the application fee is around $40 to $60. 8, Missouri. Missouri Board of Nursing. You search that one, and RN license by examination. Click, and you will find this one. The payment, there is no fee when you apply for the first time. 9, Montana. When you search Montana Board of Nursing, you will see, download it, and you will be directed to this page. You will pay $100 for the examination. License by examination fee alone. Other requirements are not included. Next in my list, number 10 is Maine. When you go to the Board of Nursing, you will find this one, non-refundable application fee of $75. And other payment or requirements are not included. 11, Nevada. Nevada Board of Nursing. We'll try to search that one, and you will find this $100 application fee for RN, non-refundable also. You can find it. You can pay it MasterCard, Visa card. And 12, New York. New York is also one of the easiest state you can apply as a foreign nurse, and the application fee for this one is $143, and you will pay it through online when you apply online form 1. 13, Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania is a good state also, and when you go to their Board of Nursing, you will see this one, a payment of your $70 permit fee along with your $95 initial licensing fee. Number 14, South Carolina. South Carolina Board of Nursing. Try to find that one, and you will see this RN and LPN fees. RN examination without temporary license is $90, and RN examination with temporary license is $100. 15, Illinois. Illinois Board of Nursing state that the payment is around $91. 16, Kansas. Kansas payment is $75. As you can see, application fee is $75 for RNs. 17, Maryland. Maryland Board of Nursing. Mail your completed application and declaration of primary state of resident along with your $100 payable to them. 18, Massachusetts. Massachusetts Board of Nursing state that their application fee is around $230. And this is via credit card. Number 19, Michigan. Michigan payment for RN and LPN by examination is $208.80. 20, Minnesota. Minnesota Board of Nursing application fee for RN by examination is $105. And the criminal background is 33.25. Other requirements are not included also. 21, Texas. Texas is a good spot also for RN, and the examination fee, application fee is $50. Endorsement are $125. 22, Washington. Washington Board of Nursing. Try to find that one and you will see this application fee is $135 for RN. There are other payment. 23, Wisconsin. Wisconsin Board of Nursing state that their payment is around $10 for temporary permit. And last one, 24, NMI Saipan, which is the mostly applied by nurses and the easiest state to process, $150 non-refundable fee for RN application. Foreign NCLEX exam application requirements for each state are different. From 24 states that I discussed, Missouri has no application fee, and the state that has highest fee is California. And my friendly reminder, Proverbs 21:23, whoever guards his mouth and his tongue keeps his soul from troubles. Thanks for watching my Nurse Insight. Subscribe. God bless.